If you've ever spent way too long trying to get wrinkles out of a shirt only to end up with water spots or stubborn creases still staring back at you, you're definitely not alone. A good clothing iron can make a huge difference, and thankfully, you don't have to spend a fortune to get one. Today, we're counting down 6 clothing irons that cost under $50, starting from number 6 and working our way up to what we think is the best overall value. Whether you need a full-size iron for everyday use or a compact travel model for vacations and sewing projects, there's something here that fits your needs. Let's jump right in. Number 6, Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron. We'll start with the Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron, a simple and affordable choice that covers the basics surprisingly well. It comes with 1,200 watts of power, heats up quickly, and includes a shot of steam feature that works both horizontally and vertically, making it useful for hanging garments, curtains, or upholstery. There's also a spray mist function to help tackle stubborn wrinkles, while the non-stick sole plate glides smoothly across different fabrics. Safety is covered with an automatic shutoff feature, and the anti-drip system helps prevent messy water leaks during ironing. This iron is lightweight, easy to maneuver thanks to its 360-degree swivel cord, and many users appreciate how comfortable it is for everyday use. Reviews mention that it cuts ironing time compared to older irons and works well for regular household tasks. On the downside, it isn't the strongest performer for thick fabrics like heavy linen, and a few users reported occasional leaking when using high steam settings. Still, for anyone looking for an inexpensive, dependable iron for daily touch-ups, it's a solid place to start. Number 5. Beautural Mini Steam Iron. If you travel often or enjoy sewing and crafting, the Beautural Mini Steam Iron deserves a look. Weighing about 1 pound, this compact iron is designed to fit easily into luggage while still offering features you normally expect from larger models. It supports dual voltage for international travel, heats up in around 40 seconds, and offers 3 temperature settings for different fabrics. The leaf-shaped non-stick sole plate is especially handy when working around seams, collars, or detailed craft projects. Owners love how quickly it heats up and how little space it takes on a sewing table or inside a suitcase. Despite its small size, many reviewers were surprised by how much heat and steam it produces. Of course, being a travel iron means there are a few compromises. Its smaller water tank needs frequent refilling during extended steam sessions, and the lower wattage means thicker fabrics may require a few extra passes. But for travel, quilting, patchwork, or quick clothing touch-ups, it performs remarkably well. Number 4, Pyomatic Mini Iron. Next up is another travel-friendly option, the Pyomatic Mini Iron. Like the Beautural, it's lightweight and built with dual voltage compatibility, making it easy to take anywhere in the world. It weighs just 1 pound, features a non-stick sole plate, supports both steam and dry ironing, and uses 5 steam outlets to deliver consistent steam. It's also designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind, making it suitable for quilting, sewing, applique, flower pressing, and other detailed projects. Users consistently praise how quickly it heats up and how effective it is at removing wrinkles despite its compact size. The detachable water tank is easy to refill, and many reviewers mention that it performs well without leaking. The biggest limitation is its fixed temperature system, which some users found restrictive, and there's no automatic shutoff feature. Also, the small water reservoir means you'll be stopping for refills more often during longer ironing sessions. Even so, for travelers or anyone needing a compact precision iron, it delivers excellent value. Number 3, Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron. Now we're moving into full-size irons, starting with the Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron. This model combines fast heating with a generous feature set while staying comfortably below the $50 mark. It offers quick heating, a non-stick sole plate, a powerful shot of steam for stubborn wrinkles, a large water tank that reduces refill interruptions, and an anti-drip system to keep clothes free from unwanted water spots. It also includes a 3-way automatic shutoff system for added peace of mind. Many owners highlight the strong steam output and smooth glide across fabrics. The retractable cord is another feature that gets plenty of praise because it makes storage much more convenient. Users also appreciate how quickly it reheats after automatically shutting off, which is particularly useful during sewing or quilting sessions. There are very few complaints overall, with the main one being that the retractable cord occasionally needs a little guidance when winding back in. For everyday household ironing, this model strikes a great balance between performance, convenience, and affordability. Number 2, Beautural 1800 watt steam iron. Coming in at number 2 is the Beautural 1800 watt steam iron, one of the most feature-packed irons on today's list. Right away, its digital LCD display sets it apart from traditional models. Instead of guessing temperature settings, you simply choose one of the preset fabric modes, making it much easier to avoid overheating delicate clothing. The double ceramic sole plate provides even heating and excellent scratch resistance, while the powerful 1800 watt heating element delivers consistent performance across a wide variety of fabrics. When functioning properly, this iron performs impressively. Users praise its fast heating, strong steam output, comfortable weight, and easy-to-read digital controls. Many reviewers even preferred it over more expensive brands. However, there's one important drawback that prevents it from taking the top spot. During testing, reviewers experienced repeated reliability problems, including water leaking during steam use and inconsistent operation. Those issues make it difficult to recommend with complete confidence, despite its otherwise excellent feature set. If reliability improves, this could easily compete for the number 1 position. Number 1, Black & Decker D3030 Allure Steam Iron. Taking our top spot is the Black & Decker D3030 Allure Steam Iron, and it's easy to understand why. This iron delivers strong, all-around performance without pushing your budget. It features dynamic steam technology designed to produce more steam for stubborn wrinkles, adjustable steam, and temperature controls for different fabrics, an automatic shutoff system, a stainless steel sole plate, and an auto-clean system that helps maintain long-term performance by flushing out mineral deposits. What really separates the Allure from the competition is its balanced performance across nearly every category. Reviewers consistently praised its powerful steam burst, excellent maneuverability, and pointed precision tip that makes ironing around buttons, collars, and seams much easier. It performs well on everything from cotton and linen to delicate fabrics like silk, often removing wrinkles in just a couple of passes. Users also appreciate how lightweight it feels, despite its sturdy construction, making longer ironing sessions less tiring. It's not perfect. Heating performance is considered average compared to premium models, and some users mention that seeing the water level can be a little difficult. But when you consider its excellent wrinkle-removing ability, dependable steam performance, comfortable handling, and affordable price, those minor drawbacks are easy to overlook. For most households looking for the best clothing iron under $50, the Black & Decker D3030 Allure delivers the strongest overall value. That wraps up our countdown of the best clothing irons under $50. Whether you're looking for a reliable everyday iron, a feature-packed digital model, or a compact travel companion, there's a great option here for every budget and every type of user. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which iron you'd choose, or if there's another great budget model you've been using. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.